so really crazy day for Bitcoin and for the whole crypto because Trump's tariffs are basically shocking people. People are in panics, and that's why markets are selling. And here you can see what happened basically. On top of the 25% for Canada, Mexico, and for the EU, he announced the 10% basically additional tariffs for China. And if you see here, this was basically like 30 minutes after he announced this, 10% on tariffs on China. And the funny part is that Bitcoin was at like 86,000 at the time I posted, and I said, well, looking at the fact that after he announced the 25% tariffs on Europe, on the EU, the Bitcoin basically went from 95 to 88,000, and that was in like 1-2 hours. So that's why it's quite interesting for me that markets are acting not fast but quite late. And that's why I thought if he's putting 10% tariffs on China, the market has to dump because China is much bigger than the EU. I think combined, the economy is much bigger. That's why the dump makes sense. And I think all these things that have happened, the hackers, Bybit hackers basically moved over half of the stolen Ethereum onto Bitcoin. So this basically means that they successfully transferred 480 million onto Bitcoin, so no one can freeze Bitcoin. So they basically already stole 209,000 Ethereum, which is more than half of what they hacked. And that's basically really, really bearish. And here you can see the chart. We are at 78,000. Really important, really important line that we have basically crossed. And here you can see the support. If support fails, we can drop deeper. And here it says 75,000. I think we could go down even to 72,000 or something like that. That's why until the tariffs come in the effect, here you can see on March 4th, the tariffs will be actually going into effect. And right now we are in February 28th. So I don't expect any pumps until then. Maybe they will postpone the tariffs like they did last month. That's when the markets basically pumped back. But I don't think it will happen. Maybe Trump gets some deals done behind the scenes and he will postpone these tariffs again. Hopefully so. Otherwise, we will see bigger crashes in crypto and in stock market. One good thing about this is that if the stock market is crashing like crazy, there is a high chance that Fed will cut some rates, and rate cuts are really, really bullish for crypto. Now, if you are looking at the basically investments in crypto, this is quite a big day. $346 million have been invested in crypto in the last 3 days, which is insane. Here you can see $200 million invested, 3 million, 12 million, 63 million. You can see Maxi are investing. Basically, Sandeep, I think this is a founder of Polygon. That's why I am quite bullish overall. Now, of course, we can still drop to 72,000. I expect at least 75 because I don't see anything bullish happening for the next 4 days. But overall, the next 4 years, I think we are still in a bullish sector in crypto because Trump has been promising the Bitcoin strategic reserve, and he basically said that USA will be the capital of crypto. Right now, it is not even close to being a capital of crypto. That's why I think he will keep this promise because he has said this multiple times in many conferences since he became a president. That's why I am quite bullish on crypto still. And if you want to follow the latest alpha that I'm posting almost daily on my Patreon, you can see the link is in the description. I am posting. Still, there are many opportunities in crypto. I actually got 6x from a specific NFT collection yesterday. So you just follow the volume, you follow the money. How you can get great opportunities is, for example, which I think hype. So Hyperlane is still quite high, and there are many opportunities on this chain because this is a layer 1. Here you can see it basically went up from $6 to $32. Right now it is at $90 still. Market cap 6 billion, fully diluted 19 billion. 99% of people haven't heard about Hyperliquid, but the price is, staying quite high, not dumping much. And there are many opportunities on this Hyperliquid L1. And looking at the fact that Bitcoin and everything is dumping, Hyperliquid is holding quite nice. And that's why you will see many opportunities. That's why go on their on their Twitter, search on YouTube Hyperliquid opportunities, and you will see many protocols, many NFT projects coming soon and coming in today, tomorrow. So big activity on these projects that are pumping. And yeah, I expect big bounce back after the March 4th because out of the chaos comes order. And yeah, I'm really bullish on crypto still for the whole 2025. And the later we have the crypto euphoria, the longer the crypto pump will continue. That's my personal opinion. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.